Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Power on your 3DS and tap system settings from the home menu. Once inside, move to the Internet or Data Management section. This is where Spotpass lives. Make sure you have a charged battery or plug-in. Preventing shutdown is important while changing network features. If you see icons for Internet, notifications, or data management, select the one that mentions network or notifications. This first step positions you to find the precise Spotpass controls without delay. Once done in system settings, open the Internet or Notifications panel and scan for Spotpass, data download, or notification entries. Tap the Spotpass entry to view details. You'll typically see toggles for automatic content downloads and notifications. Make sure to turn off both the automatic download and notification permissions to fully disable Spotpass activities. If there's a multi-item list, disable entries you don't want individually. This ensures background data won't resume for specific apps later on. Now save or confirm the changes and exit back to the home menu. Make sure Spotpass toggles show off. If the 3DS still receives content, restart the console to clear temporary caches and reapply settings. Also check individual game or app settings. Some titles have their own Spotpass/data download controls, which must be disabled separately. If problems continue, verify the system firmware is current and repeat the toggles. A firmware update can sometimes change where options appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.